Hello. In this video I'll show you how to unlock Realme phone if forgot password without losing data. Firstly, make sure you've got backup made. In order to do it, let's go to settings and next enter system and update. Enter backup, select Google Backup or Backup and Migrate. Now, your data is automatically backed up to your Google account when device is idle. You can select Backup now. Your smartphone is being backupped. Here you can find items that will be backed up. It can be photos, texts, and more. Next, unfortunately, we have to reset the smartphone to factory defaults. In order to do it, if you forgot the password, is going to bootloader. To enter fastboot mode, simultaneously press power button and volume down button while the phone is restarting. Release the buttons when you see powered by Android. In the bootloader, you have to go to factory reset. Once the smartphone will be factory reset, all the data will be erased. You will have to set up your smartphone from the beginning. After this, log into your Google account and then simply download backup. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.